Yeah, Father's Day is coming up here pretty soon. Let's gift Dad with some gifts that provide time together. It's so important. Here are some great project ideas with Dad is Kathryn Emery, 20-year home improvement and lifestyle expert. Kathryn, I want to welcome you to Indie Style here. And first question, what's a tool-related gift idea for Dad?
Okay, so first of all, I'm so excited to always talk with you. And I mean, tools, like let's face it, Dad loves tools, right? So get him into a family of tools that uses one lithium-ion battery that can go to multiple tools. So this is Heart Tools, and this one lithium-ion battery you can put on 70 different tools. So start him with this power tool. Isn't this amazing? So look for those kits, because this is a 4-piece kit from Heart at Walmart right now for $138. You get all these tools and the battery. But like I said, that battery then can go power tools, lawn and garden, automotive, hand tools, vacuums. The nice thing is Heart Tools is actually made by TTI. They are an industry leader in cordless technology. A lot of people don't know that. So they also utilize brushless technology. So it's going to give Dad more power, longer runtime, longer motor. He's going to get things done easier and less time with more power. Just a great, great gift for Dad. And then, like you said, though, let's do a project with Dad. So Heart Tools has this whole website for all these projects. So we made this taco stand. Isn't that so cool?
That's a taco stand there?
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah,
so it was so easy to do. You know, you just cut the materials, you follow the guidelines on their website. You know, we cut 8 holes, put some dowel rods in, drilled the holes, you know, got the glue, and then finished it with a food safe oil for the wood. But it took about an hour, but that was it. But you can make a beer caddy, breakfast in bed tray, Dad's workbench, fitness equipment, you know, giant Jenga. You get the gist. So this is Heart Tools. They're exclusively at Walmart. But I just love the concept of give him a really cool kit and then do stuff with him with the tools, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah. Hey, what's something to relax with Dad? That's a big thing. You got to relax with Dad. Well,
especially, you know, the mercury's rising, right? So summer's coming. Chill out outside with Dad. I brought 4 different misters you can choose from. So this is Project Source Outdoor Misting at Lowe's. Like I said, you get 4 options. The nice thing is that I love, they all work with a standard hose, no electricity, minimal assembly, which is key, right? Dad doesn't want to have to work that hard.
Right.
And then they can reduce the air 20 degrees, all under $25. So you've got a quick attach. You just click, Dad can just clip it onto a chair. You've got a portable misting system. You can wrap it around a post or an umbrella. A fan conversion kit you can put right on the front of a fan and have it blow at you. And then this is my favorite. This is the Flexi Mist. This is flexible tubing. It's freestanding. It's got 8 nozzles, 360 degrees. I keep joking. I'm like, throw a tarp down and do slip and slide with Dad then, right? So super fun.
Hey, real quick, what about the man cave? Got to have the man cave.
You got to have the man cave, right? So get everything off the floors and onto the walls. Get everything organized for Dad. So this is the Rubbermaid Fast Track Garage 6-piece storage rail system. It comes with 2 of these rails and then a bunch of hooks and ways to hang up bikes, tools, everything else. You can keep customizing it though. Wow. Add shelving, add racks, add balls, add bikes up there. You can find this at Lowe's, but just an amazing thing. And then look, you can go in there and right when you're done getting that done, you grab your Heart Tool radio, put the battery in, and you and Dad can be hanging out in the man cave. Listen to tunes.
Oh, I like it. Yeah,
so.
Here we go. Okay. Hey, real quick, how can we get hold of you?
Everybody should go to bethebesthome.com for information on all these great Dad gifts and more awesome home improvement tips.
All right, Kathryn, I appreciate that. And don't forget, Father's Day is coming up. I keep saying the Father's Day, not too far down the road. So anyway.
Take care of Dad, right?
Yeah, I got to take care of Dad.
Have fun with him too.
Yeah, I got to spend time with him, and it looks like a lot of fun. So thank you very much. How you like that there, Amber?
Thank you for having me.
The old man cave, huh?
Yeah, the old man cave. Do you have a man cave at home?
Oh, yeah. Big man cave. Yeah.
I want to see pictures of this man cave. All right, coming.